Hi, welcome to A Taste of BPCC. I'm your host, Maddie Williams, here with Taz Clark, and today we're making marshmallows.
Yeah.
So what all do we need to make marshmallows?
Well, I have my ingredients here.
Okay.
I have sugar, 3 cups of sugar.
3 cups of sugar.
1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We got the vanilla extract right here. That's 2 teaspoons. For my mixer, I have cold water, 3/4 of a cup, 1 1/2 cup of gelatin, and
okay.
1 1/2 cup of powdered sugar.
Ready?
For the first part, in the saucepan, we're gonna add the vanilla, sugar, corn syrup, and salt together. So we're just gonna incorporate all that into the saucepan right now.
Okay. So there goes the sugar.
It's the sugar.
And the corn syrup.
Corn syrup.
So no water or anything in the
No water.
Okay. And then the salt?
Salt.
Here, I'll go ahead and get these out of our way.
Yeah. Got the vanilla extract.
Okay.
And you just bring that to a boil till about 238. And while that's boiling, we're gonna move over here to the mixer
Okay.
where I have the cold water and the gelatin.
We all know that cold water makes gelatin, right?
True.
Okay.
So we're gonna add the cold water in and incorporate both of these together.
And that was what, 1 cup, 2 cups?
That was 1 1/4 cup of cold water.
Okay. This fancy mixer here.
Yeah. Get that mixing.
Okay. How long does it typically take to mix?
Probably about 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Okay.
Yeah. Gonna get that to mixing. While it's mixing, I'm gonna move over here to my cooking sheet right here. I got the powdered sugar. I'm finna coat the bottom of it because with the gelatin, adding the gelatin, it'll make it a non-stick.
Okay.
The powdered sugar make it a non-stick, so I'm just gonna coat the bottom of this real nice and good.
And this just makes it so it doesn't stick in our pan?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. Yep, just
Kind of spread it out?
spread it out a little bit.
Okay. This is an even layer, basically.
Yeah. I mean, I believe you can never go wrong with sugar with marshmallows in it. Like it's
That's
as sweet
right.
as you can get it. While this is mixing, I'm gonna let this mix for a while and let this come to a boil.
Okay.
Like I said, to about 238.
238?
degrees. So
While we do that, we're going to take a short break. Stay with us.
It's about me.
It's about me.
And me.
And me.
It's about me.
And me.
It's about me.
It's about me.
And me.
It's about me.
It's about you.
Welcome back to A Taste of BPCC. We are still in the process of mixing our marshmallows. We're about to mix up the ingredients on the stove into our mixing bowl so we can get this going.
yeah, right here we're gonna incorporate this with the gelatin.
Okay.
Take this off of heat to a boil.
And it's reached the
238.
Oh, 238, okay.
Make sure your sides are not sticking.
Good point. I hate when it burns on the side, you know?
Yeah, you don't want it to burn. It ain't gonna taste too good.
And while this is still running, we actually add it in there?
I'm gonna turn it off first.
Okay.
Add the mixture.
Boiling hot, okay.
Yeah, it's boiling hot. You get burned by this. You don't want to get burned by nothing else.
I'm gonna stay back. Let you do all that. I just have bad luck sometimes.
Yeah. Brown sugar is pretty good though, if you ask me.
Never had it. I'll have to try the bowl.
And after we incorporate all that, we can just start back the mixing.
Okay. Ooh. And how long do we normally let this go now that we've incorporated it?
We let it go for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay. So marshmallows are really quick. I didn't think it was this simple to actually make them.
It's a simple recipe.
It's amazing the things that we could actually do at our house that we don't ever think to do, you know?
Yeah. I like s'mores and stuff like that too. So.
Oh yes, and we have Easter coming around.
Oh yeah.
This would be really good to make, you know. And food coloring.
I didn't even think about that, you know?
Yeah. What all colors could we add in there?
I don't know. Well, since you said Easter, I mean, pink would be the normal color, right?
Yeah, I would say so. Pink, yellow, maybe some blues.
Do some pink marshmallow.
Yeah. Sounds fun. Just a mixing. And it has to, does it have to be a certain consistency? Is that the right term?
Now,
Oh, there we go.
turn to the heat, bro.
Okay, now it's really starting to look
yeah,
marshmallowy.
It's starting to get there.
And how are we going to get the marshmallow shape, you know?
Marshmallow shape.
Yeah, you know, the typical marshmallows have like the little cylinder shapes in a sense.
Oh yeah, we roll it, you know, put it in the sheet pan like this.
Okay.
And roll it out, and we just cut it. You know?
Okay, all right. Okay, well, we're going to take a short break, and we'll be back. Stay with us.
From the time I was born, I was in a theatrical family, and now I'm dean of the division and pretty much the director of the theater aspects.
I love that people come to theater to experience the pain and tragedy and joy of other people's lives. I think that's kind of a beautiful thing. It's a release.
The whole experience of being on stage, it's scary, but I think it's kind of worth it because you get this adrenaline rush, you get all these emotions that you don't get to feel every day.
I haven't found a similar experience quite like it yet. It comes to a point where everything around me is real.
The theater is the one art form that encompasses all art forms. It's not about the final product other than the experience that happens when it happens.
As a student, you learn like every aspect of theater. You know, you learn costuming, you learn lighting, you know, you're building sets every day, and you're in makeup class, and you also, you know, take directing and acting. I mean, you do it all.
The hardest thing for some students to grasp is the language that they're dealing with, and you have to help them along. So when I find a student who has a lot of talent but needs some encouragement in other areas, that's the ones I really enjoy working with the most, I think.
Well, the faculty and staff at Bossier Parish Community College is absolutely fantastic. They wish they could keep you forever and they love you and all that, but they want you to spread your wings and fly, and they are seriously preparing you for that.
We're looking to increase our audience development, which will bring in more people to see how wonderful our students are and how many opportunities that we can give them. Also giving the experience to the students that they need so they can get out of here with their degree and get a job.
All right, welcome back. Thanks for staying with us, and our marshmallow mixture is
Done.
Okay. So here's the next step.
Well, you know your marshmallow mixture is done. You check it by using the whisk.
Okay.
Soft peak. You see that?
Oh yes.
How it's ribbon. Like.
And it's still stuck together.
Oh yeah, that's good right there. We're gonna take this and put this in our saucepan.
Okay.
And we're just gonna layer it. Let's just put this over here. It's a little messy.
It is messy.
We're gonna layer this.
Okay.
Now remember, the powdered sugar stops it from sticking.
So that's very important, unless you love doing dishes.
I don't think nobody like doing dishes.
Mm-mm. So it's very thick, but still kind of fluidy, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm using the correct term, so don't quote me. You're the chef.
You want to make layers.
Okay.
You don't want one side thicker than the other.
Yeah.
You have like the foam marshmallows.
We don't want that. I guess we could make shapes and stuff, huh?
Yeah, you can do that.
What, peeps are made like this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, that is good to know. And while you're finishing that, we've got our Easter marshmallows. Look at that pink, pretty marshmallows. And
Yeah. Well, yeah.
After you go.
I mean, all you really do is add just food coloring to it.
Mm-hmm. And while it's
make
mixing.
It, yeah.
Okay.
To make it that color, but I just did the basic marshmallow.
Simple.
The everyday marshmallow.
Mm-hmm.
You know? It's real sticky.
Yes.
But it's good though.
Does it have to harden or what?
Normally it sits for 4 hours.
4 hours, okay. Oh, because the gelatin doesn't,
Yeah.
it normally takes, okay. That makes sense.
But look at that. It's good. It's good right now, to be honest with you.
It looks like it. We can make a giant s'more. Could you imagine?
Oh yeah. We just have to have a big enough graham cracker to hold it, you know?
True. Need a lot of that.
Hey, we can whip out a recipe and do a graham cracker too.
Let's make it happen. No, but seriously, you can make graham crackers?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, it's what the marshmallows look like without food coloring, but it's basically the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And Easter marshmallows.
And you made some for us.
Yeah.
Already. Perfect little marshmallows.
Ready to eat.
Mm-hmm. Well, good, because I'm about to take a bite of one of those.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy.
Let's see. And you made these just by, with hand, just molding them,
Yeah.
I suppose?
Like with the parchment paper, once it cools or whatever, you get to roll it. And once you roll it, you cut it.
So
it's in the parchment paper, but with it being hot, it wouldn't hold its form. So while it's cooling, once you roll it and stuff and cut it out to the marshmallow sizes, then it's ready to go.
Okay. Well, let me try this thing. Ooh, soft, flaky, fluffy. Let's see. First time making marshmallows. About to try a homemade marshmallow. There you go. Way better than store-bought marshmallows. Like it's kind of soft.
Well, I mean, they're made by machines. Come on now.
By hand, way better marshmallows. Well, that's all the time we have today. This is a great recipe for, holidays, Easter. Don't forget your colorings. And I highly suggest trying it. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, have a good one.